In today's digital era, cyber threats are on the rise, and websites have become a primary target for hackers. For your businesses, a secure website is essential for promoting products and services online. So, how can you safeguard your website against hackers? SSL International has compiled 11 practical and essential measures to help protect your website and ensure its smooth operation. How to protect your website from hackers. Learn these 11 key measures. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Hackers often use automated tools to crack weak passwords. By using strong passwords containing letters, numbers, and symbols, you can reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Adding 2FA provides an extra security layer, ensuring that even if your password is compromised, your account remains protected. 2. Install SSL certificates and switch to HTTPS. SSL certificates are a must-have for securing websites. They enable HTTPS encryption to protect sensitive data like login credentials and payment details from being intercepted by hackers. Additionally, HTTPS improves your website's SEO ranking, enhances brand trust, and meets compliance requirements in the world. 3. Deploy a Web Application Firewall, WAF. A WAF creates a protective barrier between your website and potential threats. It detects and blocks malicious activities, such as SQL injections and cross-site scripting, XSS, ensuring your website remains safe from common attacks. 4. Use advanced security products. Security Solutions' advanced security tools help protect your website while boosting its speed. These products offer features like malware detection, HTTPS protection, DDoS prevention, and API security. They block malicious requests before they can harm your website, ensuring reliable operations. 5. Implement role-based access controls. Limit access to your website's backend to only those who need it. Role-based access control reduces the chances of unauthorized or accidental changes, thereby maintaining the integrity of your site. 6. Perform regular vulnerability scans. Regularly scanning your website for vulnerabilities ensures potential risks are identified and addressed early. Tools like SiteLock can automatically monitor, detect, and resolve threats, providing comprehensive protection for your site. 7. Keep software updated. Outdated software often contains security vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Always keep your CMS, plugins, and themes updated to their latest versions to patch known vulnerabilities and minimize risks. 8. Disable unused plugins and features. Unused plugins and features can become entry points for hackers. Audit your website regularly to remove unnecessary tools and only retain essential up-to-date components to reduce vulnerabilities. 9. Backup your website regularly. Regular backups act as a safety net. If your website is compromised, a recent backup allows you to quickly restore your site to its original state, minimizing downtime and preventing data loss. 10. Monitor website logs and activities. Tracking your website's activity logs can help detect suspicious behavior early. Look for unusual login attempts, traffic spikes, or unexpected file changes. By monitoring logs, you can respond promptly to potential threats. 11. Educate your team and users on cybersecurity. People play a vital role in website security. Regularly train your team and users to recognize phishing attempts, follow secure online practices, and report suspicious activities. Building a culture of cybersecurity awareness can prevent many common attacks. Now, what do you think? Do you know how to protect your website from hackers now? If you have any questions, please submit them in the comments. If you need SSL certificates or other security solutions, visit our website below. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends so they can also learn about online security, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome content. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.